What are the best export settings in DaVinci Resolve for YouTube? So first you will need to click on the settings icon on the bottom right hand side. And then you will need to make sure that the time resolution matches the video resolution. So if your video was recorded on a 1920 by 1080 screen, you should select that in here. So for example, 1080 by or 1920 by 1080 HD. And if you shot your video in 4K and you want the best quality possible, so you can click on the drop down here and select this one, which is 384 by 2160 Ultra HD. Now keep in mind that this setting should match the video resolution. And then you should press the save button. Now for the other export settings, you will need to click on the deliver button at the bottom here. And on your left side, you should click on custom export, which is this one. And then you will need to select a location where to export this video. So for example, in videos, and you can give it a name as well for the file. And then scroll down to format and select QuickTime, or keep it at QuickTime if it's already QuickTime. And then for the codec, you will need to use H.264, or if you have a modern decent GPU, you can use the H.265. So I'm going to keep it at 264 for now. And then you will need to select the resolution as well. So for example, here our video was shot at 1920 by 1080 HD. So I'm going to select that here. And the frame rate for this video is 60. So you will need to select the exact frame rate of the video. Next, you will need to make sure the quality is set to automatic, and from the drop down select best. And for the encoding profile, you should keep it at auto as well. And for the keyframes, auto, the same thing. And then check frame reordering option. And then for the preset, select balanced. And then you're pretty much ready to export your video. So just click on add to render queue and click on the render all button right here. And then you should just wait for the DaVinci Resolve to render and export your video. Now, once it's done, you can basically check the directory where you saved the video. And as you can see right here, this is our exported video. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.